We're super excited to share with you the cosine travel pack system, a 5-in-1 convertible system designed to make traveling easier, safer, and more comfortable than ever. We've built 2 beautiful bags, a day pack and a carry-all pack that work seamlessly together, allowing you to enjoy life's many adventures. The day pack clips onto the harness of the carry-all pack with our durable spring clips. This helps to distribute the weight and also allows for your hands to be free during all your moments in transit, such as boarding a plane, calling a taxi, pulling up a map on your phone, or even checking into your stay at your next hostel. When you're jumping in and out of tuk-tuks or taking a ferry from island to island, you need the versatility to move around quickly and comfortably. We've made the entire system convertible, giving you plenty of carrying options. The carry-all can be transformed from a fully supportive backpack to a duffel with a slash-proof carrying strap within a matter of minutes. And the day pack can be transformed from a backpack to a messenger. Not to mention, the entire system is carry-on compatible with most major airlines. If you haven't traveled before, you'd be surprised at how much energy you spend thinking about whether your wallet and valuables are safe. To keep things simple and secure, we've put everything at hand for you in the 15-liter day pack. Your passport is secured and tucked away in our RFID blocking pocket, and your phone is stowed away right in front of you for quick and easy access. We've also added in a boarding pass slot for those moments when you're just rushing to catch your next flight. And the main compartment of the bag features waterproof lockable zippers for added security. The day pack also has an internal 13-inch padded laptop or tablet compartment, internal organization pockets for all your travel necessities, 2 front pockets, and a full-length side pocket for maps or anything else you need quick access to, including a key tag. We've also added in an expandable water bottle pocket. As for the 35-liter carry-all pack, consider this your home away from home. It features a wide clamshell opening that makes it super easy to pack, and an external access 15-inch padded laptop pocket that makes checking through security a total breeze. This, paired with our multi-purpose side straps, internal mesh organizers, hidden valuables pocket, and waterproof lockable zippers, make us the perfect companion for your next adventure. Unlike many bags on the market that use plastic, we've used lightweight but heavy-duty hardware throughout the bag, including this badass Cobra buckle that provides added security and compression. The bag is made up of 2 main fabrics, Cordura ballistic nylon, a fabric originally designed for military body armor so you know it's tough as hell, and a beautiful matte finished tarpaulin that is both water and abrasion resistant. We've also added in waterproof zippers everywhere it counts, so unless you go deep sea diving with the bag on, these features should keep everything well and dry. And just in case, each pack comes with a highly water-resistant fitted rain cover to protect you during those unexpected torrential downpours.
The way we designed this backpack is that you don't have to take it off to get anything from it. So this is how it works. You have 2 pockets, one here and one here, to get your most frequently used items, such as your keys, a pen, and maybe a phone. So with one movement, you can access basically anything from your backpack, from smaller items to larger items, such as your sunglasses or even your laptop. You also have another flap on the other side, so you can have access to even more items, such as your hard drive, USB, or anything else you need access to. You also have 4 pockets, 1, 2, 3, and 4, for your Metro card or any other fast access card you might need. Traditional theft-proof bags compromise on fast access. Our patent-pending design allowed us to make it theft-proof without compromising the fast access. Since all the zippers are hidden behind these 3 flaps, there's no way to access them if the backpack is against your back. However, when you need to access anything from it, it's super fast. You just pull those flaps and off you go. This means you have really fast access without compromising security. Since comfort is one of our top priorities, we decided to use the same material used in astronaut suits on everything that goes against your skin to help you regulate temperature. We also made huge airflow channels on your back to help you regulate your temperature as well. You probably have had the problem of putting a backpack and having one strap longer than the other. This is really annoying. We solved this problem by using a pulley system that automatically distributes the load on both shoulders to guarantee the perfect balance at all times. We really want this backpack to be with you at all times, meaning it has to survive the most extreme conditions but also look cool. We use the best nylon fabrics on the market, including a ballistic nylon on the bottom, to make it as resistant as possible. We really hate the hassle of having to put a cover on a backpack if the rain catches you off guard. That's why we made it rain resistant by using the best YKK zippers that are water resistant to help your contents be dry at all times. We also designed this backpack to be super friendly to pack so you can go for a trip without leaving anything important at home.
Hey, I'm Adrian the Canadian, and welcome to LifePack, the anti-theft solar-powered backpack that keeps your phone charged and your stuff safe. Let's check it out. The 21st century has redefined the way that we live our lives. You're no longer tied to an office. 37% of US workers say they worked from home in the past month. That's up over 400% since 1995. I'm pretty sure that your phone's been upgraded since then, and it's time that your bag was too. With LifePack, we've reinvented the mobile office. Does your phone battery ever die? Are you ever worried about your bag getting stolen or broken into? Do you have a hard time keeping organized? Well, lucky for you, LifePack's here to save the day. Let's start with why you're never going to have to deal with a dead phone again. The Solar Bank is a removable unit which has a solar panel and a battery with enough power to charge an iPhone 6 up to 12 times. You can charge the Solar Bank via USB, and then when you're out and about, the solar panel keeps the power topped up. The Solar Bank also has built-in Bluetooth speakers, so you have great sounding audio with you when you're on the go. LifePack has an integrated lock. This means you can lock the zipper shut when you're on the go. And what's really cool about this lock is that you can actually lock the bag to something when you're sitting still. Because of the unique design of the zippers, you can also lock the zipper shut while locking it to a fixed point. The bottom of the cable cannot be removed, and the exit point is reinforced, so it's super strong. Also, the end of the lock works as a bottle opener. Cheers, salud, santé, skål. The work zone is incredibly organized. There's a separate section for your laptop, iPad, there's a space for your wallet, there's a key hook, business cards, pens. There's also a section for loose papers and a separate pocket so you don't lose receipts. In the Life Zone, there's a protected pocket for your sunglasses, there's room for clothes and any of your non-work stuff because you don't want your undies falling out in a work meeting, because we all know that's happened. Is that just me that's happened to? There are 4 hidden compartments on this bag. On your shoulder straps are 2 pockets. These are big enough for credit cards, travel cards for the subway or metro, cash, loose change, or even your headphones. Pressed up to your back are 2 more hidden pockets. These are ideal for your passport and boarding card when traveling. These pockets are even big enough for an iPhone 6 Plus. And on one side, there's a USB plug that connects to the solar bank, so you can charge your phone up while you're on the go.
Hey, I'm Ethan, and this is our new Alpa Adventure Travel Pack. There are a ton of cool features built into this thing, so let's dive in and take a closer look. To start, we've taken the stress out of checking luggage with a 35-liter size that meets airlines' carry-on standards. From there, we added a blend of tough, TPU-coated 1000D polyester with durable 1680D ballistic nylon paneling. A low-profile harness was then adopted from our backpacking packs, which helps distribute the load while you're out getting off the grid. This system includes contoured shoulder straps for comfort and balance, a padded hip belt to support the load, a breathable air mesh back panel, and an adjustable sternum strap. In terms of storage, the Alpa is loaded with compartments that let you decide how to pack and organize all of your gear. There's a suitcase-style, full-wrap zipper opening on the main compartment that opens into a large, zippered mesh compartment on the right side and a subdivided zippered mesh compartment on the left. 2 zippered pockets round out the top. Moving to the outside of the pack, you're able to access the padded laptop and tablet sleeves with the right side zipper. On the left side, there's a short-cut zipper that provides access to the main internal compartment without having to take the pack off your back. A compartment on the top is designed with passports and other small essentials in mind, which is subdivided for added organization. For added security, all external zippers feature our theft-proof webbing sewn across the openings. We also added lash loops on the hip belt and throughout the pack, giving you the option to lock the pack to fixed points. The slotted back panel houses the shoulder straps and hip belt, ensuring loose ends are a non-issue in overhead bins, on the bus, or in the trunk of cars. Additionally, 4 reinforced grab handles provide multiple carry points when the shoulder straps are tucked away. There's even a high visibility rain cover that packs down within the pack. As part of the Alpa system, we've also designed the main pack to pair with our stowable Batak day pack, which easily deploys for day hikes and trips to the market once you've arrived at your destination. Accessories are also offered, including mesh laundry bags, a nylon shoe bag, and a snap-on mesh water bottle sleeve that let you further customize your travel pack. We've always wanted a system that promotes nimble, comfortable travel, and now we have that with the Alpa.
The NRG Camper is a fully featured camping and hiking bag that integrates charging technology throughout the design while maintaining all the great features you would expect from a quality pack. The bag has a custom 16,000 milliamp battery, which locks right into the interior frame for comfort and security. With the included cables, you can charge multiple devices like your smartphone or tablet all at the same time. Going to explore nature for more than a few days and worried about running out of power? The NRG Camper includes a fully functional solar panel that comfortably fits right onto the front. This charges the internal battery using the natural power of the sun, meaning you can stay off the grid as long as you want without losing any power. We know for a hiking and camping bag that comfort is crucial. The NRG Camper features a custom height adjustment system, which is marked on the back so you can adjust it to make sure it's optimized for maximum comfort. Also, the bag is specifically designed to implement a hydration bladder so you can make sure you're drinking enough water throughout your adventure. In addition to overall comfort, the bag is highly capable for even the longest of trips, as it features numerous pockets and storage spaces. The main compartment is large enough to fit everything you'd need for a long journey. The sides are filled with pockets, drawstrings, and straps to attach various other items that you can easily access. Not only that, but the right waist strap has an exterior USB charging outlet that connects directly inside to the battery, so you don't have to fiddle around in your bag if you want your electronic devices charging but still handy. Plus, on the other side, there is an external power switch, so you can turn the battery off without even having to open the entire bag. Now, obviously designed with electronic devices in mind, you want to make sure that they will stay protected. There's a specially crafted moisture zip pocket, so your gadgets will stay protected from the elements. And even though the pack is tough as nails against various weather situations, if the rain is just too heavy, there is a built-in rain cover so you can put your mind at ease knowing that everything inside is protected. Also, if you ever get stranded, an SOS whistle is integrated right into the chest strap so you can try and get in contact with others who might be near.